The Kuper Euracryl ABP 310 edge polishing machine offers a wide range of applications, super quality, and high productivity. The self-explanatory intelligent control system enables easy handling without long training times. The core of the system, made of ultra-high performance concrete, ensures vibration damping of up to 95%. The central unit is the milling and polishing unit for 4 cutting edges, a patented tool system from Euracryl with color-coded tools. The Easy Tool tool library contains all the important information that the machine requires for machining workpieces, and, of course, in different languages. Safe and simple operation based on predefined values is possible, as is individual use tailored to your product. The required parameter settings can be easily and conveniently defined by means of simple material selection. When producing a chamfer, the clamping cylinders first move automatically into a safe working position. Optionally, up to 20 clamping cylinders are possible. Damage to the tool or cylinder is therefore impossible. Typical Kuper. Work and process safety, including error minimization, right from the start. Each cylinder can be moved individually. This means that workpieces of the most varied dimensions and sizes are supported. A thin felt mat serves to protect the workpiece surface and guarantees a secure hold. A transport CE-compliant safety guard made of Lexan offers a high level of work safety without restricting visibility. The two-step machining process of milling and polishing achieves a streak-free, crystal-clear surface. Due to the low application of force, we reduce the load on the tools and minimize their wear. The machine allows a maximum swivel of up to 63 degrees. A vacuum holding system is already part of the basic equipment. The sturdy front reference bar with adjustable chip removal ensures a cleanly milled surface. This anti-smearing system prevents the film from smearing the surface. There is no need for repolishing. After the polishing process is finished, the polishing unit and the stop return to the home position. Safe removal of the workpiece is thus guaranteed. CE conformity and a constant focus on process and occupational safety are a matter of course for Kuper. LED work lighting supports functionality and precision so that foreign bodies such as chips can be detected at an early stage. Anchoring points allow precise adjustment of the front reference bar as well as an exact milling depth over the entire machine length. This means that several workpieces can be machined at the same time. The result: greater output with maximum quality. The flexible, multifunctional table with various positioning points for additional lateral stops ensures convenient alignment of the workpieces. Here too, simultaneous processing of several parts is no problem, efficient and flexible. Here is a selection of the possible end products made from different materials. Quality and innovation made in Germany. Our edge polishing machine Kuper Euracryl ABP 310.